Good morning, students. Now going about new lessons. Okay, which topics? Atomic structure. Atomic structure. Okay. First of all, just one a small child wants to take a toy apart to find out what is inside. So scientists have for long been curious about the international structure of an atom. They wanted to find out what are the particles present inside an atom and how are these particles arranged in an atom. For explaining this, many scientists have proposed various atomic models. Who is proposed Talton atomics and J.J. Thomson models. More scientists searched the atomic model in a structure. Okay, first of all, discovery of nucleus. In 1911, Lord Rutherford, a scientist in New Zealand, who performed his famous experiment. Okay, so famous experiment. What proposed that the discovery of nucleus deflected of particles. Okay, alpha particles has a deflected. First find most alpha particles pass straight through foil. Most alpha particles atomல எப்படி ஆகும் அப்படின்னா so straight line formed. Okay, then only some alpha particles deflected this reaction with deflected. Okay, deflected. Very few alpha particles completely bounced back. Very few alpha particles தான் பேக்கில் என்னது ஆகும் ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகும். ஸோ சம் மோர் alpha particles straight lines for the through the foil. Okay, then only so these pictures, so alpha particles straight lines and reflected form in that pictures. Okay, can you see the pictures? So then only read in anywhere parts of the parts. Okay, then only Rutherford atomic model. What is Rutherford atomic models? Atoms contains large empty space. Large empty space atoms contains. Okay, so this position of large empty space, there is the positively charged mass of as the center atom. So center, that is nucleus. So this position of positive charge. Okay, positive charge. Then only outer side of negative charge. There's a rotation of negatively charges. That is Rutherford models atoms of somewhat like that of the solar system. Examples of Rutherford model. Okay, Rutherford models of an atom's center point is nucleus. Then only electrons. So positive charge, then only negative charge. So positive charge protons and then only negative charge electrons. Okay, positive charge position of center point and electron position of outer sides. That rotation of atoms. Okay, so that is atoms models. Then only limitation of Rutherford models. Okay, limitation of Rutherford models. According to the electromagnetic theory, moving the electron should accelerate of continuously loss energy. So movement of the solving of atoms losing energy, then only nucleus positive charge, that rotation of left side, that rotation of that and movements of right side. So the rotation of electron charges. So negatively charged electrons and positively charged of the molecules. Okay, negatively charged, that is electrons, and positively charged, that is molecules. What is molecules? Already I told molecules. So the one or two and more electrons combined with that molecules. Okay, force models of an atoms. Niels force 1913, that explains of theories explained causes of stability of the atoms in different manners. The main postulates, in atoms electrons revolved around the molecules. Stationary circular paths called orbits or cells energy. So more cells including of atoms. So K shell, L cells and M shell. Okay, K shell, L cells and M cells. While revolving around the nucleus in an orbit, electron neither losing nor gain energy. An electrons in a shell can move higher or lower energy cells, absorbing releasing fixed amount of energies. So nucleus, K shell and L cells, M cells, and so number of electrons that is increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is increasing. K, L, M, N. Numbers of N is equal to 1, 2, 3. Letters. So K, L, M, N. Orbit just nucleus, K shell, and least amount of energy. Okay, K shell, least amount of energies, and or K electrons, and so on successive cell their electrons. This orbit associated with fixed amount of energy. Pores called these energy levels. That is energy levels or energy cells. That is energy cells. Okay, K shells electrons has least amount of energy. Okay, the electrons present in are called K electrons. Okay, then only limitation of force models. One limitation was that these models, hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, and so on. So multi electrons nucleus extended. Okay, then only discovery of electrons in 1932. James observed the beryllium exposed alpha particles. Alpha particles, beryllium is alpha ray. Beryllium plus add with alpha rays. So their reaction of carbon plus neutrons. Okay, beryllium plus alpha ray reaction with carbon plus neutrons. These emitted particles carried so on electrical charge. Properties of neutrons. These particles, so the mass equals, so very important, so 1.676 into 10 power of minus 24 kilogram. So 1 AMU. So AMU explained the amount of mass unit. Okay, amount of mass unit. AMU full form amount of mass unit. In 1920, Rutherford predicted the presence of another particles, nucleuses, neutrals. James Chadwick, inventor of neutrons, was students or new Rutherford. Okay, characteristic of fundamental particles. So more electrons, particles, electron, proton and neutrons. So symbol of electrons E0 minus 1, protons H1 and 1. So neutrons N1. So protons hydrogen or hydrogen, oxygen, and so more elements including that protons. Okay, so number of electrons and neutrons, that is very important. So the atoms, charge of electrons units minus 1 and plus 1 and 0. Okay, minus 1 plus 1 and 0. This position minus 1 plus 1 and 0, the position of electronic charge units. Okay, mass AMU, amount of mass unit 1 by 1837 1. So mass of gram 9.1 into 10 power of minus 28 and 1.6 into 10 power of minus 24, 1.6 into 10 power of minus 24. That is properties of subatomic molecules. Okay, atoms including of more atoms, electrons, protons and neutrons, all including that atoms. Orbits, what is orbits? Electrons revolve in orbit in a cells. That is electron revolve in orbits or shells. Okay, this position of nucleus is protons. Okay, contains of protons and neutrons. Protons positive charge and electric charge, that is including of nucleus. Okay, so this is a position of atoms. Then only atomic number of mass, very importance of atomic number mass. Only hydrogen have protons, they are nuclei. Only helium, so 2 protons. Indeed gold atoms வந்து 79 protons. Okay, thus atomic number, importance number of atomic numbers. So protons given symbols of Z. Then atomic number is equal to number of protons equal to number of electrons. This is position importance. Okay, atomic numbers equal to number of protons and number of electrons. Then only listen carefully, students. mass number and atomic numbers. So simple of multiply. Okay, so this position of mass number and this position of atomic numbers. So simple of the elements. Okay, so this position of elements, so helium and oxygen and hydrogen, so any elements including that the atoms. Okay, so position of mass number and atomic number. Examples of nitrogen is written as nitrogen 14 and 7. So this position of atomic number 7 and mass number 14. Okay, this is the atomic number and is the mass number. So two numbers including of main of atomic number very important. So, okay, atomic number and mass number. So more symbolic presence of atomic numbers, mass numbers, carbon, silicon, oxygen, beryllium. So okay, for examples of atomic number, for examples of neutrons in one atoms. So magnesium 12 24. Okay, number of neutrons 24. Okay, number of neutrons 24 and number of electrons. Okay, number of neutrons n is equal to n a is equal to 24. Number of mass number of neutrons equal to mass number and atomic number. So mass number 24, atomic number 12. Okay, mass number 24 and atomic number 12. So this equal to subtraction with sub 24. So 12 remaining is equal to 12. So calculate the neutrons in the following of atoms. Okay, can you do that work, students? So some atoms they apply to some. Okay, this formula using the apply to these elements. Okay. So electron configuration. What is electron configuration? You already know electron occupy different energy levels. So had orbit or cells. Okay. Rules: the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated shell equal to 2n2, where serial number of shell from the nucleus. K shell value of 1. Okay, K shell value of 1 and maximum number of electrons 2 into 1 power of 2 is equal to 2. L cell 2, M cell 3, so N cell 4. So apply to that electron maximum number of electrons 2n2. So multiply with maximum number of electrons. So rules: K cell and L cell, M cell, N cell. So problems. Okay. Geometric present of the atomic structure of elements. So examples of geometric representative of oxygen atoms. Oxygen atoms, atomic numbers and mass number. Atomic number 8 and mass number 16. Mass number is equal to 16 and atomic number 8. So this apply formula already I told. So 8 protons and 8 neutrons. Atomic oxygens. These symbols of 2 inside and 6 electrons outside. Okay, oxygen atoms of oxygen. So totally of electrons 8 electrons. So protons and 8 neutrons and protons. Okay, then only valence of electrons. Above examples of that 6 electrons outermost cells of oxygen atoms. These 6 electrons are called as valence electrons. These 6 electrons are called as valence electrons. More atomic structures in your book. These elements with the same number of electrons, valence shell, so the similar properties of those different numbers of valence electrons, which have of 1 or 2 or 3 valence electrons. Okay, valence shell of non-metals electrons of valence. What is valency? Valence elements combined capacity of the elements. Other elements equal to the number of electrons. So examples of having valence electron 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. Okay, valence elements with 5, 6 and 7 valence electrons, 3, 2 and 1, 8 valence electrons. So arrangement of atoms elements having the atoms 1 or 2. Hydrogen atomic number and 1 and mass numbers ones. Number of neutrons A minus is equal to 0. Okay, first or K shell 1, second or L shell no electrons, and third cell M cell no electrons, and at N cells no electrons. Valency of 1. Metals or non-metals of noble gas, non-metals. Okay, so metals and non-metals and noble gas, that is non-metals of hydrogen. Helium, atomic numbers of 2 and mass number 4, and neutrons 2, and electrons configuration of 2, and L shell 0, M shell 0, N shell 0, and valency 0. So noble gases, this position of valency. Okay, thank you students. Remaining one two pages and next video. Okay, thank you to all.